time to make this money. Let's go ahead and hit Dash now. What's that? Hold on. Dollar peak pay. All right, man. They better not be out here messing up the orders, man, because I know whenever they turn that peak pay on, they like to mess things up. Let's go ahead and get this started and see what they send me first. Give me something good, Doordash. Don't be playing no games now. 13.25, 14 miles. Man. No, man. No. $8.10 for 7.7 miles. Hell no, man. We got $18 for 16 miles. So the first one, man, they crazy at all, man. Hell no. And we got Grubhub going on. We got right here. $17.99 miles. That's not a bad order, but it's going too damn far. Hell no. Alrighty, got my first order. $12 for what was that? 8 miles, 7 miles? I don't know. I got a screenshot, but I wasn't able to look at it quick enough. It said Panda Express, and it's taking me in a direction I was already headed. And just like that, things can change that fast. I was gonna pick up that Panda order, but now I'm about to unassign it because I just got something better on DoorDash. $7.50, less miles, and I'm gonna be able to complete it faster, and it's a drive. We right here at Pizza Ranch. This is a pizza order, that pizza bag program. So this order is better because I was right here click up. It's a drive-through pickup and it's less mileage. Even though it's less money, it's less total mileage. So this is actually a way better order. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one done. All right, so we got our DoorDash pizza bag right here. And if you don't know, when you're picking up pizza order, you might get that screen right there. Take a picture of your pizza bag. So boom, I always have mine just sitting right there, ready to go. And boom, that way I can just take me a quick pic of that pizza bag and then I'm ready. But see, this is how they get you. Look, I confirm that I continue to delivery, right? But then you don't want to confirm that you got the order until you actually got the pizza order. So I took a picture of the bag, but now I'm finna wait for the order. That way you don't have to do that after already getting the pizza. Just one thing to keep the wheels rolling a little quicker. Now she said it's gonna be like 2 minutes on this order. It's coming out the oven right now, but it's all good though. They usually pretty fast right here. Look at this. That's a scraper. Look at that. You ain't never seen no snow scraper. No, they don't got snow plows out here. They got snow scraper. It don't plow, nut scrape the whole street. Snow, concrete, cement, whatever's in the road, dead animal, all of that. It's picking up everything. They got so much snow. You see that mountain over there? Look at that mountain of snow. They ain't got no time for no snow plows. No, they don't do snow plows out here. They have straight up scraper. The scrapers sit in the middle, in between the two big old wheels. So no, on the snow plow, it's in the front. On the snow scraper, it's in the middle, between the two big old monster, between the four big monster tires. It's been about minutes now. Where the piece at? In my opinion, that pizza order was much better, and here's the reason. I was right there ready, close to the pickup. I got there, it was pretty much ready. It was coming out of the oven, and with pizza, that's pretty much what you want. You want it to be coming right out of the oven, throw it right in the pizza bag, nice, hot, and ready, right? So the drop-off was really close, only a couple miles away, 3 miles, I believe. I got the screenshot, I'm gonna put it up here. But that Panda Express order, Panda gives me way more problems than any pizza place that I encounter when I'm Dash. I had to make an executive decision and figure out, okay, do I want to drop Panda multi-app, or do I just want to order? And you know what? I chose just go ahead and stick pizza order because that was the best way to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and confirm exactly how much we get. Alrighty, drop that bad boy off at the door. Moment of truth right here. $7.50 what was shown? $8. It went up 50 cents. We got a dollar peak pay going. Not bad. Next order came in immediately. $7.50, 2 miles. Why do we gotta be Little Caesars, man? Jeez Louise. Delivered by 528. What street? Minnesota. Nope, I'm not taking it because I don't like the drop off. I don't like the merchant. Sometimes you gotta make them executive decisions and say, hey, I don't like this, I don't like that. No. If I have more than one thing that I don't like about the order, I automatically, I'm just looking for one more reason to just go ahead and decline. Honestly, that's how I do it. I was waiting on right here. $17.75, 13.2 miles, Tokyo Steakhouse, 8 items. Know your mark. I hope I got a screenshot of this one because this is a good order. Now, when I check the subtotal on this, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be over $100 in food because I know my market. Steak and sushi, 8 items. As long as they all nice hot dollar, platter, as long as they nice entrees, this gonna be over 100 in food. If it's showing me $17.75, that means it's really $16.75. We got $13 miles taking me into my zone. So it's Dash along the way. This is how you maximize and make that money. Catering program is the way to go. Let's go ahead and get over here. We 3 minutes away from Tokyo Steakhouse. Let's go ahead and slide and see how much the subtotal is. Made it to the sushi spot. Go ahead, click arrive. Boom. Damn right, I'm gonna take a photo of that bag. Let's go ahead and check this widget. Look at that. $119 in food. I knew it. All right, let's get it. We're gonna go ahead and take a picture of this catering bag and get her done. Go ahead, get a picture of some catering bag. Alrighty, and that's where we heading in to get this money. How much you think the tip gonna be on this catering order? Let me know. Picking up $119 in food. Let me know below in the comments what the tip is on this catering order. Alright. Alrighty, got that order dropped off. I did hand it to the customer, so let's go ahead and see how much. $17.75. It's really $16.75, but we running $1 peak pay. Let's see. Okay, $23.04 on the tip. Oh, look like a $2 peak pay now. Oh man, $2 peak. So it's a $2 peak pay, it's a stack right there. So that means you need to subtract $4 from that. That's $9 for 4.8 miles. Now $9 for 4.8 miles, I can accept that. Both of those places are good pickups, and it's leaving me in my area. Doing good. Hi. You got an Eric that work here? He's hungry and he needs some food.
100% correct.
So I got him. Tell him he's good to go. He gotta wait for break time though. All right, this way. All right, have a good one.
Either way.
Oh, they both work. I've had the app on for an hour and minutes. I'm sitting at $49.04. Just got my next offer. Teriyaki Mad, $18, 12 miles. Not a bad offer. It's $1 pay, so that's really $16 stack. But I'm not heading that direction. It's trying to send me all the way back across town. I'm not going over there. I'm over here with a restaurant, so I'm trying to do short little trip, as many per hour, no more long deliveries. I only took a long one to bring me over here, and now that I'm over here, I'm good where I'm at. I'm not trying to go out of this zone at all. 5 mile maximum on the orders I'm taking, unless I just get that juicy offer that I just can't refuse. That's the only way that I'm going outside of that 5 mile radius. Look at this, $17, 10 items, 5.5 miles. So without the pay, that's $15 5 miles, 10 items. Let's go ahead and have a look. So as you can see, like I was just saying, I'm not going outside of my 5 mile radius. $17, 10 items. Even if it's a wait on both of those, it's a possibility for a hidden tip on both of those, and I'm staying in my zone. If it's a super long way, I'll gladly multi-app on Grubhub or Uber, but that's a decent offer I can take, and it's gonna leave me where I want to be at. Don't lower your standards just because it's peak pay, just because it's busy. If you don't want to go outside a certain, don't do that. If you want to not accept a certain, if you don't want to accept nothing less than a certain dollar amount, do that. Don't let a pay or a dash a long way. Don't let any of that stuff affect your decision on what kind of orders you're willing to take. When they add peak pay, I just subtract it right off of the orders that they send me. So if it's $9, $2 peak pay, I take $2 off it, and I treat it like it's a $7.50 order. I don't care going 4 miles. If I'm taking that $7.50 for 4 miles, then I'll take that $9.50. But if I don't take that $7.50 6 miles, I'm not taking that $9.50 for 6 miles. That's how you maximize. Don't lower your standards out here. He is closing early tonight, and they just informed me that they're not gonna be able to get to my order. So I just got paid half pay for that order, and I'm on my way to the delivery for the Red Robin. And this is a nice bag of food, so it might be a good tip on this one. We're gonna check and see. Red Robin dropped off. Let's go ahead and see how much Red Robin is. It's only $1 peak pay now. So $8.50 turns into nothing. $8.50. That's cool. Long at all. We got $10 miles bringing me back to where I just came from. So that's perfect. And that drop off is still within my zone. So that's a perfect order right there. I'll take that. Picking up for Kyle. Where Dylan at? Dylan ain't working today? Oh, okay. I was gonna ask him if he learned how to tip when he ordering food.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I had to put him on my YouTube page, because last time he ordered some Applebee's, he ain't want to tip. She was here, she laughed at him.
He actually, you won't see him here today.
Oh, he don't work no more? No. Oh, well see, he a bad tipper and a bad worker. That's messed up.
Well, can't say anything about that, but he learns how to tip.
See, he got bigger problems now, shit.
I remember when I tipping and
Oh yeah. It's
ever since
I monetized my whole YouTube channel off confronting people who don't
really?
tip. Yeah, that video that I did confronting Dylan, I got like 4,000 views on it. And you in there too. When you laughed at him, yeah, I zoomed in on you. That's the best part of the video. Thanks for laughing. Yeah, you too. Order dropped off. Sometimes you gotta hit that button so they get their ass up off that couch, come get this damn food. $10 Sean, and $13.05 is what it turned to. Nice. Sending me $11.50 for 5.3 miles, but that's a straight shot though. And that's leaving me in my zone. I like that order. I don't mind pets. This one is a shop and deliver. So it's 2 items, but it's cool. They usually help you find the items. Let's go ahead and get it done. Some hay for their rabbit. Or what is this? No, this ain't even the hay. This is bedding for the rabbit. They needed some hay too, but they was out of the specific hay that they wanted, and I couldn't get no substance. So let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. It's actually at about 90 bucks after getting this one dropped off. Let's get it done. Just gotta order $10.28 food miles right here at Panera. So I'm about to stack it with this DoorDash I got. It's PetSmart order. Let's go here and see if they got this mug ready. I don't know. And that thing was ready to go. Let's get it. That's how you stack an order right there. Get you something that you know is gonna be ready to go as soon as you get there. Go ahead and give me some gas real quick. Need that petrol for the metro. But I just got my next order and it may be my last one of the night. We got 12 items at Fazoli's. Now, it's not a catering order because they got a lot of silverware and a lot of Parmesan cheese packed. But I checked the map and I like where it's dropping off. Getting towards the end of the night, so I want to start making my way home, but I want to accept orders on the way home. So this one is going to take me closer to my house. And it's still a possibility for a hidden tip on there. So that's why I took it. Let's go ahead and get on over to Fazoli's, which is over that way. And we're gonna get this one done. The Fazoli's, now hopefully they got it ready. 850 what was shown. Let's see if 850 changed. Ooh, nice, 1150, I'll take it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. Go ahead, hit end dash. Yes, 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 I know it's very busy. End it. How much we make? Alrighty, so we did $105.09 in 4 hours. And I also did a Grubhub order that was $10.28, so that brings my total to $115. Yes sir, so that's $105.09 on Doordash. And I also completed an order on Grubhub. It was $10.28, so that brings my total to $115, y'all. And what's that, 4 hours flat? 9 deliveries on Doordash, 1 delivery on Grubhub, so 10 deliveries in total, 115 bucks in 4 hours. Good money. That's over 25 an hour for sure, but probably closer to 27, 28 per hour. I'll take that any day of the week. I made 9 bucks earlier in the morning, 100 bucks now, $200 day right there with only like 7 hours of work total. Let's get it. I'll do that all day long. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next.